Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's class, I will teach you plural forms in German. You know, singular and plural. All the nouns have an article, either der, die or das. Der we use for masculine, die for feminine and das for neutrum. These are the three articles in German language, only three articles. And all the plurals have the same article die. Plural is always die. But singular can be different, der, das or die. We have just three variations. Singular, I repeat, der, die or das. But plural has only die. Plural nouns have only article die fixed. But when we make plural out of singular, there are slight spelling changes. Sometimes students get confused. How can I learn so many plural forms? Don't worry, it's a gradual process. You can learn slowly and steadily. You cannot learn all the plural forms overnight. I will tell you how can you convert plurals, okay? How can you make plural forms? Singular, plural. So left side is singular, right side plural. First is Tisch and the article is der. Always whenever you learn a noun, learn with the articles. Like Tisch, der means table, article is der, masculine. Now you cannot ask questions. Why table is masculine? No, you may not ask any question. You have to learn it as it is. This is the part of the language. It's masculine. You have to accept it and learn it. But the thing is that you have to learn always with the article. Like Tisch, der, okay? And the plural is Tischer, die Tischer, tables. Tables, 2, 3, 4, more than one. Similarly, book, article is das. Always learn with the article. Das Buch, the book. It means the book. It all means the. Die, der, das, all means the book, one book. If you say the books, Bücher, die Bücher, the books. Or you say drei Bücher, three books. Vier Bücher, four books. More than one is plural. So Bücher, we say Bücher. Here umlaut plus er. I have added er and umlaut. Here I have added only e. Tischer, tables. So there are different words. Okay, there are different formation, plural formation. We make different types of plural forms. Computer, no change. One computer, two computer, five computers. Spelling is same. So here you can remember the word end with er remains same in plural. The word end with er like computer, CD player. Okay, there is no change. It remains same, computer. So either singular or plural spelling is same. But it's very rare case. There are very rare words. There is no change in the plurals. CD player, computer. Okay, and also Brotchen, like some words end with chen, chen. So they also remain same like Brotchen. Okay, Brotchen means bun. Steinchen means stone, small stone. Ch in reference to a small version, small thing, small bread, small stone. Mädchen, you know Mädchen is girl, so small girl. So these are singular and plural, always spelling is same. One bun, five buns, one girl, five girls, spelling is same. No change, but change the article die. If you want to say plural, article is die. Otherwise, singular, article is das. Singular, article is das. All chen word, article is das. And plural, same spelling, no change. Now, lampo, lamp. Die Lampe means the lamp. Plural, I say four lamps. Vier Lampen. The ending is en. I have used extra n. Wohnung. Die Wohnung, the apartment, the flat. If I say I have two flats in Germany, ich habe zwei Wohnungen, Wohnungen, en ending, in Berlin. So here, en. Now house, das Haus, the house, and die Häuser. Article is same, die, and Häuser, houses. Ich habe vier Häuser in Indian. I have four houses in India. So here changes umlaut plus er. So these are different changes that you have to learn. You can learn it gradually, okay, but don't be afraid. It's a gradual process. This is the part of learning, and you just keep learning and take care of these things. Like singular articles can be der, die or das, but plural has always single d article. All the nouns have article and plural is always d. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.